She wakes with the sun gilding the morning. She cares for the animals with affection and eagerness. She walks slowly through the flowery fields. Her brown eyes hold the beauty of the moonlight. Her soul is free as the blowing wind. She loves to swim in the crystal lagoon. Among trees and trails she has found her place, always accompanied by her kittens. And when the rain falls on the farm ground, she dances smiling as one who knows no sadness. The sky seems to open its doors of emotion, and all of nature sings its song. Woman of the field and the wind, owner of such a beautiful heart. Her smile illuminates time. Her gaze is an infinite dream. Plaid shirt, hat and boots on the ground. She carries hope and love in every season. Loyal to her family, determined to win. She transforms every challenge into a reason to grow. She knows the secrets of the forest and the moonlight. She learned from life to never give up. She has the courage of the rivers and the peace of the immensity, and the sweetness that enchants any heart. Whoever sees her eyes finds serenity. Whoever hears her voice feels happiness. She is like the breeze that passes without hurting, an extraordinary woman born to bloom. Woman of the field and the wind, owner of such a beautiful heart. Her smile illuminates time. Her gaze is an infinite dream. Woman of strength and tenderness, of a simple and true soul, like a star in the dark night. She shines over all of life. And when the wind touches her face at dusk, nature will remember who she chose to be. A resilient, humble woman full of light, who follows her path, guided by the love that leads her.